How to add the Outlook email widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, we go down, then tap on Widgets. Now in Widgets, scroll down, and then tap on Outlook. Next, we then scroll down and then drag the email widget and drop it onto the home screen. In here, select your inbox that you want to use. So here you can choose Outlook inbox or all accounts. Here you can turn on or turn off focus inbox and then tap on add widget. Once you have added, you can then resize your widget like this. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.